Now, CRM, when we talk about CRM, is a technology for managing all your customer relationship, your interactions with customers, potential customers. The goal is simple: improve business relationship to grow your business. Now, when we talk about, don't be looking at all these things as big stuff. I'll make this class to be home-like, that will come down to our level. Now, at the end of today's class, you'll be able to build a CRM solution to manage your customer. Once you want to come online, you must have some software in place that manage customer. If customer want to make inquiries of the product, it's not every time you will be online, but you can set up some automations. Oh, you are selling clothes, you are selling shoes, you are selling food, you are selling food items, you are into this and that. There will be some automations that will be responding to them based on it's the same question customer will be asking. One, knowing how to do this is game changer for your business idea, for what you're doing. That's number one thing. Then two is that if you know how to build CRM, you will make a lot of money from it. I help people to make CRM. I have a lot of students, especially a student of University of London that have trained on this. They are making cool money. They are undergraduate students, and they are making cool money helping people to build a CRM solution. It's just a software for you to manage relationship, for your customer relationship. Are we progressing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, our function of CRM to build a landing page. You'll be able to build a landing page with CRM is a software. You use it to build a landing page. You use it for lead generation. That is, it will capture the contact of the prospect. Then you use it for email marketing. You use it for retargeting, data analytics, sales funnel. Now, these are the function of CRM. Let's go to example of CRM. Example of CRM. Now, we have Seller.co. We have Softlink.ai, MailChimp, Aweber, constant contact, get response. There are numerous that you can use. Then some of us will be working remotely, helping organization to build a CRM. For example, now, if you apply to any university abroad, once you apply, an email automation will be sent to you. It's not the university, and it will address you by your name. It's not the university that is sending email to millions of people one after the other. They build a CRM. Once you sign in like this, an email will be sent, copy your name. I have several adverts that is running, and email will be responding to people. SMS can be sent to people. WhatsApp message can be sent. And that's what we'll be learning on how to, on CRM. Now, example of CRM is Seller, Softlink.ai, MailChimp, Aweber, constant contact, get response, and so on. There are many. Now, we will be concentrating on, we'll be using Seller. Any of these that you're using, you can use them to build a landing page. That's a page website. You'll use them to build a lead generation system, email marketing, retargeting, data analytics, sales funnel. Now, the one we're going to be learning today is, how to build our practical one is what we'll be starting today. How to build an e-commerce store. How to build an e-commerce store. Let me go to Jumia to show you an example of what we're going to be doing today. Sorry. E-commerce store. Jumia. You have a product you want to sell, you have a service, you need to have a store. One, note, we are showing you in this program, the in-depth, the secrets of the whole concept of any skills any one of us is learning on this program. And at the end of each class that you attend, I want you to go and appreciate our team lead, Dr. Yemisi Adeyeye, for bringing this together. This is a good support, to the community on humanity. At the end of this training, it may be some of us, it may be building something like a website like this. You'll be able to build websites at the end of today. And at the end of this program, if you can follow the advice I'm going to give us, you can generate 6 figures before the end of this program with this skill. I'm so sure. I trained a guy that was in a class before the end of the under 24 hours. I was taking a class like something like this. And just a guy from a polytechnic, one of the polytechnic from Motion State. And he generated $100, helping people to set up minor things. We're going to do a lot in this course. We're going to do copywriting. We're going to do a lot. And there'll be after training support. If you have any challenges, you let me know. After this period of training and certification, we'll be there for. Now, if those are not in the class, we are recording it. But this is what we want to build today. Our practical one is e-commerce. Please, let's type e-commerce. E-commerce, practical one, e-commerce. E-commerce. How to build an e-commerce store, something like Jumia. E-commerce. Am I seeing our chat? Okay. Now, let me now show us. What we're going to use is we're going to be using a CRM to build our CRM platform to build it. Sorry, I'm looking for my chat to be seeing, what people are typing. Are you seeing my screen? If someone is there, you can respond. Just unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm not seeing my chat box. Let's continue. Now, if you want to design something like this for anybody, okay, yeah, it's there. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Now I said we should type e-commerce. Okay, somebody have typed that. Good. Thank you. How many of us are here presently? Okay, we are 15. Now, please kindly carry your thoughts along. Now, we want to see how to build our e-commerce using Sailor.co. Now, Sailor.co is a CRM platform. You don't need to know coding before, you don't need to know programming before you start making money online. You don't need to know programming. There are several test skills that are non-coding, not code-based. One of them is digital marketing, UI, UX. Now, they don't require you to be a programmer, but you'll be fine. And even if you are being paid money to be on social media, it's a gift. And if I check my WhatsApp now, I think somebody just paid that should help him to run an advert. He's dropping a voice note as I was coming here. A lot of them are chatting. And now, the person just paid to run hard for him. They are into solar technology. Now, people will pay you. Some can just pay you, to run hard and your service charge. Some of my guys, they charge their service charge on the graduate student, they are charging close to 50K just to set up ad. If you now set up, 10 of that in a month, you are doing 500K. It's cool. Is it not cool? Right? Cool now. Cool. If you you want us to learn this. Are we there? Okay. So I didn't get you well. You said how to build an e-commerce store. E-commerce store. That's what we want to build now. And we'll be using a CRM platform, customer relationship management software. Is a CRM platform called seller.co. This seller.co, the best way to sell your digital product. You have an ebook to sell, you have a digital product, a video courses, you have a service. People should come through your website. We're going to be learning how to build a website today. That is called landing page with seller.co. We'll now use it to do a lot of stuff. Now, today's class is how to build e-commerce. Please, I will need the recording. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Now let's move up to seller. The first step one, you can write step one. If the course rep is online, you can be documenting this for us. Then the video will be available. Now, step one is, go to seller website, seller.co. That's the step one. Step two, the second step is for you to sign up. Sign up on seller.co. Sign up on seller.co. That is the step two. If you don't have account, there'll be a feature for you to, okay, you click here, start selling, start selling. Start selling. Then you put your email address. The email address you want to use to create the account, you put it here. If you have account ready already, you just log in via the account. But just listen to what I want to explain to you. There's a lot of things I will explain here. Now, you put the email. If you have an email address, you put the email address here. Then instead of using your name, don't put your name here if you have a brand name. For example, is Food Solution online? If it's there, or any of us that is online and you want me to, and you don't have an e-commerce store, you can drop your e-commerce, your email address, so that we use yours as I will set up an account for you. I already have an account with all my email. Okay, I have one here. Sorry, hold on, just one, don't worry, just hold on. All others will learn how to do that. Now, Laude, Blend, Unix. What's your company name? This email address I'm copying. What's your company name? What's your company name?
Ola Unis Collections.
Ola.
Is there? I've typed Ola Unis, H-O-R.
Okay, I've seen it. A minute, chat, man. A minute, chat. If you have my number stored on WhatsApp, can you drop it there? Several chat are coming up. I didn't see it, and if you can drop it again.
Or maybe she could just use her, unmute herself to give it to you now, sir.
Okay, let me have it. Or she should drop it again. Please drop it again, and if anybody sees, the network is terrible from my side here. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Okay, please don't. Okay, thank you. Now, Miss Ola Eunice collection. I can space it. That is the Ola Eunice collection. Are you okay with the name like this? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, but it used to be together. It's supposed to be together, sir.
Okay, you want it together? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'll use a password. I'll tell you, then you can reset the password later. Do you get it?
Okay, sir.
I'll use a password. And you can reset it later. It doesn't really affect you. Coming, let me. Now, if you're helping someone to set, yeah.
Sir, please, after the A, hello, are you with me, sir?
Yeah.
The online units, after the A, there is R. Is a typo.
Yeah. Okay. R.
There is R. Yes.
Something like this.
Yes, sir. Is okay.
No problem. Okay, let me use something like for our. What I don't want to do is I want it to be practical based so that you see the way we're setting up for a client. Now, after this class, now you can meet people that are store owners. They want to have something like a junior. Their budget is not high. You can help them to create an account. What is it saying? You already have an account on Seller. With somebody that doesn't have account. Ola Eunice, you already have account on Seller. Now, this is how to create the account for those that doesn't know how to create the account. Though I will send videos on how you are going to create the account on Seller. Okay, some people are dropping. Thank you, everyone. Now, this is how to create account on seller.co. After creating an account, step 1 is go to seller.co. Step 2 is create account. That is under, start selling, you create account. Then step 3 is log into your account. Log in to your account. Let me log in to our account. I think I have one account, Softrace Telecom. Forget that, you won't get it. I will break it down for us to get it by God's grace. Now, that is our password. Now, this is one of the accounts, I have. But this, I don't think this is one of the major accounts. I have a lot of accounts on seller.co. Now, what do you do here is after creating an account, login. Step 1 is go to seller.co. Step 2 is create account. Step 3 is you log in to your account. Step 4 is add products. Now on seller.co, you can add products. Now when you click on add products, when you are creating accounts, doing account creation, there will be a step there that will only request you of only your account number. Account number. It's not going to request you of any other thing than your bank account number, so that when a customer is making payment, the money will be coming to seller. From seller wallet, you can now move it to the account. It will ask you for your account number for you to sign up so that you can be getting your money via the platform. Now, I want to sell a physical product now. For example, something like this. I want to create a store, something like this. You can sell physical product. You can sell digital product on seller. You can sell ticket. You can sell subscription. You can sell services. You can host courses. Host courses like Udemy. You want to have an Udemy where people will sign up for a course You can do that. Let me be sure. If someone is there, can I hear your voice?
Yes,
Well, yes,
sir.
sir.
We can hear you.
I will learn. I will getting value at all.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
are.
Yes, we love value, sir.
Now, what we're not going to do, you can mute yourself now. You can host courses like Udemy. You can have your own Udemy. You can mute yourself, please. Now, you can have your own Udemy courses, something like Udemy, where people go there to buy courses. Believe you me, there's nothing you sell online that people are not going to buy. Let me see. This person should just mute himself or herself. Okay, someone is raising up hand. Mute all. Thank you. Okay, don't worry. I'll give the room for question. Drop your question on chat. Are we almost? Yeah. Who is not there? I've muted everybody. And there's no noise in my hand. Now you can have on seller.co, you can host courses here where people will be buying the courses while you are sleeping. And believe you me, there's nothing you want to sell online you would think people will not buy. And from my own research, people buy more things online than your physical office. That's from my research. People buy. Please drop your attendance. If you are here, remember to drop your attendance. This class, you must drop your attendance. You write your name and your number. There's a number given to you. Please do. Let us know you are here. Now, we can do flexible subscription. We can do mentorship, membership courses, streaming videos. You stream a video, you want people to watch the replay, they can pass through a, what they call it, a landing page. The first one I want to do today is how to sell a physical product on seller.co. You now come to here, this point, simple, just so simple. You can add your products. You had your product. Now, you had your product. Let's say, okay. Now, the first practical we're going to do, I want us to go to Jumia, go and look for, you are going to create what they call it this way, category, we call it category. This is supermarket, this is health and beauty, home. Now, if you have a store or you have an online store product, create a category. For example, phone and tablet. Now, under phone and tablet, there are several categories. In your computing is separated here. Now, I can click on computing. I want to sell computer now, for example. You go to Jumia. I want us to use the Jumia site as an example, a model to build an e-commerce store at the end of this class. Please, if this class, we are going to have a break, because we're using the free version of Zoom. It's going to time out in 45 minutes. Then we're going to have 10-minute break. That is we're going to have break. Once this time out, we'll have break till 12 o'clock. Then we'll come back by, we resume back by, okay, let's come back by 12. Once this one time out, we'll come back by 12. We'll use that break to do our practical, to sign up, to create accounts on Seller. Then once it's 12, once you are not even done with what they call it, the account creation, just come up back by 12. By 12, I will do the second part of it. Now you now come to seller.co. For example, I want to add this product to my store on Seller. Please let somebody unmute. Hope I'm not too fast, though, please.
No, sir.
Are you getting me? So I still want to hear another voice.
Yes, sir. We are getting you.
And now you now click on add products. This thing is simple. And if you want to set up store for someone, you can charge any amount. You can charge, 100K, 200K, 300K, just help them to set. Because at the end of the day, let me move first. At the end of the day, several people they are selling clothes. They have to be sending it to their customer, uploading the pictures of the clothes they are having one by one. But if you can help them to design like a website on low budget, even you can target SMEs in Africa that you want to be helping, 40 SMEs to build a store every month, and all of them are doing 50K to you. If you are getting value, please type value. Value. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, we want to now come. I have 5 minutes for this section. Now, the first section is between 11 to 11, in the next 5 minutes, it will time out. Then the second section, we start by 12. The break we're having is to create our account. Then before I'll now show us full how to add products. At the end of the day, you come to product here. Though I will show us when we resume back by 12. You come to product here, so simple. For example, I want to add a product. I'll click on the product image. You don't need to really design, something online, make it simple and unique. Go online. If you're selling kitchen product, some of us that are making cake, look for picture of cake, different type of cake, the levels are what they call it, different budgets that you want people to sign up into. You can come up here and click on the image you want to add. For example, let me do this system. I don't really have, it's a new system. I don't have more pictures on there. Okay, for example, let's say I want to set up a store for this laptop. I'll just click on this product now. Let me click on this product. I'll click on the product. This is the product image. Then I'll come to the product name, HP Elite book. It's 20 G3. Then I'll come to the selling price. Let's say my selling price is 150,000. Now, this your store can collect money in several currency. It will have, you can collect money in dollars. You can collect money in dollars. Most of the African countries, CDs and all those African countries, they can collect money in it. So that if you are targeting, at the end of the day, please, when you are creating an account now, if you have a product before a service, just put the product there. Now, I just want us to do first is to create an account. The next section by 12 will be showing us how to, sell, how to add more product to your account. Now we can add price, the selling price, then cross price, show strike out original price. That is, you will show something in the online space. People want you to show that you are giving them discount the way it's done in the real life. Then you put it here that this product, the original price is 190,000. Don't put a value that is not too realistic. If you said that the original price is 1 million and you are now selling 150K, people will not buy. They'll be skeptical. Now you can just add some, to show them that you are giving them discount. Then I'm giving that 190,000. Then the product description, I can now come here, put my product description of, okay, HP, this is blue color, I have green color, and all those stuff, I can put them here. Then I will now come to the point of product category. Product category. Now, I'm rushing now. Let me even pause here at the place of price. Now, after choosing category, we'll come back and continue from product category. Now, you can, okay, where's my store? Are we getting value? Or mute yourself, let me hear your voice, man.
Value.
Yes, sir. Getting value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, I want us to, this is a project. I want us to, one, if you have a brand, you make enough, progress from it. But please,